Hello, my name's Anna. I'm 12. My birthday month is in June. I'm from Russia. My home's in Yekaterinburg. I have brown eyes. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite sport is ice skating. My favorite color is red. My favorite singer is Valeria. My favorite film star is Angelika Kashirina. My favorite TV programs are crime story programs. I go to school number 110. I'm a people of 6G form. I have 5 or 6 lessons a day. My favorite subject are math and biology. I wear a school uniform. My hobby is sewing. I made an apron. Here it is. Do you like it? I do.